Hey, it's Tomek, co-founder of Autenti. In today's video newsletter, we will cover Autenti for startups, eSignature implementation checklist, and 2 new product updates. Let's get started. Are you part of the startup or young company looking to streamline your document signing? We've got just the thing for you. With Autenti, you can sign documents securely, easily, and on any device, all digitally. No more printing, scanning, or waiting for physical signatures. It's fast, secure, and works with your growing business. And because we know you are in early stages, we offer special discounts on your first subscription. So why not get started and speed up your document signing process today? Funny enough, 10 years ago we started Autenti as a startup as well. At the time our mission was simple: make sending and signing documents online easy and secure. Today over 30,000 companies across Europe rely on us to sign contracts remotely and verify customer identities. We have raised €15 million and made the Financial Times 1000 list of Europe's fastest growing companies. And for Google for Startups' 10th anniversary, we were recognized among the 10 most exciting Polish startups of the decade. Even as we grow, we still help startups because we've been there and we know how important guidance and support can be. Now let's dive into eSignatures. We've put together a simple checklist to help you plan the implementation and get the most out of it. What's inside? ROI Calculation template that will help you find out how much time and money you can save by switching to eSignatures. Document Prioritization to learn which documents should be signed electronically first and why. And Platform Selection just to give you tips on picking the right eSignature solution for your business. Whether you are a small biz or a big company, this checklist will help you make smart choices and speed up your document signing. Ever started a signing process only to realize the last signer is on a vacation or there is a typo in the email? Until now, that meant cancelling the documents and starting all over. Frustrating, right? With the Edit Recipients feature available from the premium plan, you can quickly swap in a substitute or fix any mistakes without stopping the process. All previously collected signatures stay valid. Less hassle, faster deal closing. And there's more for super admins. Full control over your address book. Export the entire contact list to another system or make bulk updates. Change roles, signature types, job titles or contract details without editing each record one by one. The system automatically assigns these settings to the right recipients, eliminating repetitive tasks and keeping your data consistent across the organization. Finally, a quick update from Krakow. We teamed up with WEBCON for a workshop to align our solutions and create a shared value proposition. With WEBCON and CCS experts, we identified the areas where our synergy is strongest, and now we have concrete materials ready to help clients. It's a big step forward in our strategic partnerships. Thank you for watching this video. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to keep all these topics at your fingertips. See you next time.